Hello everyone. I'd like to share a journal I made, and it's a huge one. It's a book I purchased last summer. I just love how sturdy it was, and sorry, I touched the camera. I didn't know what I was going to do with it until I found this. Oops. It's a sketchbook, and I just love it. It's all about the seashore, birds, all about sketching, about shading techniques. So I picked a few pages out of that, and it fits perfect in this book. The book is 8.5 inches wide by 10 3/4 inches high, with a 1 1/4 inch spine. The cover is paper collection by Tim Holtz Wallflower, with a brass plate that says nature, which is what I call this book, for nature lover, gardening, wildflowers. It's just a beautiful collection of paper by Tim Holtz, and I've used a few other Bo Budney garden journal, but only the postcards and journaling cards, and also from a Mementa a few pieces of paper, but there's no name to it. So I'll start. Now, look, it's so big that there you go. I chose to leave it black because I didn't want to take away this page of the sandpipers. And here I put in a little pocket with some journaling cards. This one I stamped "This book belongs to." And on this one here, journaling card, I stamped date. There are 3 signatures for a total, for a total of 132 pages. Unfortunately, the back side is upside down because that sketchbook opens like a calendar. Here's a couple of journaling cards from that collection from Tim Holtz. That was from a Mementa collection. The paper is all tea stained, and this is a tea stained piece of paper. It's typewriter paper. It's vintage that I found at an antique shop. These are journaling cards from that Bo Bunny Garden Journal collection. This is from the Tim Holtz with a little bit of collage, a ticket, and a little card. There's some stamping also. This is a vintage ledger sheet, and just extra additional note paper. A postcard from the Bo Bunny collection. So lots of room for journaling, for including pictures, articles. This is from a journal, a gardening journal. This page here. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. I made these little seed packets. Seed type, date collected from. A lot of paper clips with seam binding. Here is a little a notepad that I made. That's newsprint paper. I just stamped notes. That's a glassine bag from Tim Holtz that I stamped. There we go. Here's a dried flower, a violet, and I put it in a Tim Holtz frame between 2 pieces of it's that plastic for packaging there. And so there's a start to dried flowers. More stamping. That's the other. That's an old a share transfer sheet. Some additional note paper. This is a Prima bark butterfly. Again, that Tim Holtz journaling cards. The middle of the signature, just some leaves. I fussy cut this out of the Tim Holtz paper to make it as a tuck spot. A bit of washi here and there. This is drawing paper, and this is a journaling card from the Bo Bunny collection. The other side of that journaling paper. Another additional note paper, and this is from oh dear, I can't think of the streamers. I just fold it all up and I cut it with the die from Tim Holtz. I created a pocket here, and there's a tag. Additional note paper. And with the Bo Bunny paper, I created a little extra journal book. The middle of signature is butterflies. I stamped field notes. Another postcard from the Bo Bunny collection. That's the back of the, that's the first signature. Ah, sorry, I keep hitting my stand for the camera. The second signature. A couple of journaling cards. And just a side pocket. Additional journaling paper. More stamping, washi tape. Another page of that journaling paper, a journaling book. Stamping, another postcard from the Bo Bunny collection. The middle of the second signature, I chose this page marker. It's original to the book, so I put it back in, and at the end I put a little charm of a leaf as a bookmark. More additional note paper, again with a bark butterfly. Here's a side tuck with a couple of journaling cards. This is that paper from Momenta. This is from, I cut it out of the Tim Holtz paper and tied it with a little safety pin. And just a little collage of a couple of tags here. Another journaling card from the Bo Bunny collection. Here it says, let your life lightly dance on the edges of time like dew on the tip of a leaf. From Bo Bunny, a postcard. Another pocket, that's from that Momenta paper, from the Tim Holtz paper collection. This little notebook I made with onion skin paper, with Tim Holtz paper, and again with Bo Bunny. Another little notebook stamped with a feather and date. Explored, lived, enjoyed, with that newsprint paper. So that's the second signature. The third signature, stamping, side pocket with a couple of journaling cards, extra journaling paper, that ledger paper, additional note paper, another little seed envelope, a postcard from the Bo Bunny collection. Here I washi tape Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I flipped it over to Saturday, Sunday, just around the page. This is the middle of the third signature, again just with some leaves. here are just little bits of paper that I can't seem to throw away. So this one has the tree, nest, eggs, just a little journaling stick. Here, a little flower. I just tied that with the garment pin. So there's lots and lots of journaling space because it's so big. I just love it. I love this postcard too, the colors of this postcard. From the Bo Bunny collection, more stamping. More additional note paper. And here's a side tuck with that Momenta paper. And this is from the Tim Holtz collection. And I just put it on a brown paper bag with 2 large journaling cards. And the back of the 3rd signature. And on the back cover, I just put a side tuck. And I made this envelope. And inside, there's a book page, just an old book page. I love the color. It's distressed with time. And here I included a page from a wildflower book, the Daisy Fleabane, the Datura, and it says which one should be picked, which one should you pick, and about the transplanting time if you can. And on this side, again, another book page that just yellowed on the edge with time. And here's from a book on growing. On the growing. Oh, for the love of God! Now I know I have to write things down because I draw blanks. It's unreal. And this envelope, it's not really an envelope. I made an envelope out of it. But it's from, on YouTube. It's Dawn's Stamping Thoughts. The Floral Boutique Note Cards and Clutch Gifts. She calls it a clutch. And this one I made with a 10 by 10 square. And it has that, I chose not to have that gusset there. And she calls it a clutch because she puts a magnet to close it. And this is made with a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. So it's an interesting, it's a different change. So this is, this journal, it's huge. I love it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.